Welcome everybody. Today, we will create a Python program that converts Celsius to Fahrenheit. I am using VS Code, but you can use any other software like PyCharm, etc. First of all, we need to open a browser and search Celsius to Fahrenheit to find its formula. Copy this formula. Follow my instruction and don't make any little mistake. Now paste that formula here, and edit it like me. Let's check it out. As you can see, it's working. Let's see that the results are same in Google and our program or not. As you can see, the result are same. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like this video, and also subscribe our channel for more interesting content.